So guys, as you can see, 12 hours ago, I actually made a video on my restaurant, and it actually didn't work. And if you hear what I sound like, it's because it's past midnight. Once again, why do I do this? But yeah, as you can see, I did make this video, and when I downloaded it, it only let me upload 25 seconds of it. So I'm going to try it a different way. It might not look as good because I'm watching the video with you guys. I deleted loads of stuff to get this to work. But it was something good that I just couldn't redo. I just couldn't. It was like a one-time thing. I wouldn't be able to redo this. I wouldn't be able to redo this because it's something you could only do once. Or you'd have to buy more Robux and do it on a whole other account, basically. And it's limited items, so you can't get it anymore. So I just have to get this out some way because I wanted to entertain you guys with it. And I'm just going to play the recording, and I'll see if this works. I hope you guys enjoy it.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video.
Let me get this in full screen. I hope you guys enjoy this.
Stuff in my restaurant. Now, I don't know what I'm going to buy right now. If the gold play button is still available, I am definitely going to buy that. And I'm here with the crazy one. Yep. So we're each going to make a video together. I'm going to help him set up his video. So,
if I have enough storage.
Yep.
So is
X recorder good?
What recorder do you have?
Loom. Okay, going to Roblox and making my restaurant video. Today, I'm without a mouse because I can't find it. Once again, guys. Once again. So, I actually did buy the gamer chair, and I have like $300,000 right now.
Okay, do I come?
Okay, he's coming in.
What's up, guys? It's your friend, the crazy one. Welcome back to another video.
And you can hear him in the background.
So, today, we'll be focusing on...
Okay, guys.
My restaurant. So this is gonna be fun, right? And Toxic Place is here with me.
What's up, guys? Okay, so guys, and I'm also making a video. And let's go into the shop, everybody. Time to spend some Robux, and it's frozen. It's a bit laggy, but
with you.
Yeah, Percy Thomas Tyler is here. What is happening?
AKA the crazy one.
Right? Oh my God, what is happening?
Oh, Toxic Place.
Ooh, let's buy this. Gold play button, 564 left. So buy it for Robux. Buy. Okay, so we got the golden play button.
I didn't have enough.
Purchase successful. Thank you so much. Let's actually go see how much this is worth.
I got it too.
Oh, the crazy one got it. Let's go check this out and see how much it sells for in the global market.
So, how do we place it down?
I'll show you in a sec.
Okay.
So, I'm obviously not going to be selling this.
Yeah.
Guys, since I got the golden play button, everybody get me to 1 million subscribers.
Yeah. Yes. Let's do a goal.
If I get to 1 million subscribers at the end of this year, I'll give away my Roblox account. Yep. Sell. What does this sell for?
Okay, I'm gonna die.
Oh, the recommended sell price is 57 million?
The goal for this video, it is to get 100,000 subscribers for me to draw with the chica 10,000 times. So yeah. If not,
now that you said that, you gotta start making FNAF videos.
Yeah. Oh yes. Toxic Place. I know Shadowborn's real name and
okay, we're in Roblox, not FNAF, so let's keep playing Roblox. Okay, guys. So I actually do not know where to put this. I'm actually working on getting a new floor 6. Oh, YouTuber customer, nice. Okay.
I'm going to the second floor.
Let's go up to floor 5. When I get floor 6, that's going to be all my limited stuff. So, like, I'm going to move my gamer chair up there. And right now, what I think I'm going to do I'm actually gonna place my golden play button.
Okay. How do we place it down?
Wait. So
yeah.
it's probably in Decker. Yes, gold play button.
Lemonade.
And rotate. What do you have? What floor do you have?
Is the second? No.
Okay, and let's place that right down. And it's game crashed. That's upsetting.
Yep. I think I'm gonna have to rejoin. Right back.
And how do I get this down? Okay. Close that. Okay, nice. We got the golden play button. Now, it doesn't have any abilities, but I'm pretty sure what it does is it attracts YouTuber customers. So that is pretty nice. Now, it's actually very hard for me to play without a mouse. Because gamers a lot of times do use a mouse.
I'm back. So yes, this is the intro of it when we join the game.
Okay, guys. Let's go back. Let's go to floor 3 so we can spin the wishing well.
Yeah.
What do I mean by spin the wishing well?
So
Use the wishing well, I meant. Okay, someone's at the doorbell. Why does this happen every time I make a video? Someone just rang the doorbell. Oh my god. Okay, guys. Where's the pause button? Are you actually kidding me? Never mind. Crazy One will be right back. So, here we are back in the game once again. I didn't even close the door. Okay, so, we're back. I need to get a way better computer. This one lags a lot. Okay, he's back. Now, this is very laggy.
I'm back. Sorry about that. But there's the golden play button.
Boosts.
Pretty good.
I don't have enough for any boost, guys.
I like the golden play.
Because I only have 1 Robux left. And I spent $3 on Robux to get the gold play button. It's going to be worth so much when it's sold out. So, maybe someday I could sell it. Maybe.
I'm never going to sell my thing. My golden play button.
That will attract YouTuber customers, you know. Wait, I'm just going to look on Crazy One's screen to see what the golden play button does. So, check that out. Wait, no. So, up there. Increases the chance for a YouTuber customer to enter your restaurant naturally. Okay, so yeah, it does actually increase the chances for a YouTuber customer.
Ooh, diamond!
Diamond one costs 2.4 thousand Robux. Oh, it's sold out. These are actually limited items. I forgot, the Crazy One actually hasn't played this update. Limited items? By the way, that play button is actually worth 55 million cash if you want to sell it. So yeah, he actually doesn't know what limited items are. So limited items are, go back over there. Okay. So go back to where the gold and diamond play buttons were.
I cannot get it.
So what they are is limited items. In a few days, those will all be gone and you can never get them again.
Ooh, so that's pretty rare item.
Yeah. Gold play button, only 500 are left. When that 500 is gone, you can never get them again. Unless you buy them from the global market, which is where you buy limited items and you can sell limited items. So yeah, quick explanation. And yeah, I actually really like the golden play button. Let's go back and visit that one more time.
I like this. This thing is awesome. I like this update.
Yeah.
So, if I remember correctly, I'm pretty sure it's on the second floor.
Okay,
yeah.
So
here it is.
Floor 5.
And then I'll just be getting some customers.
And then, where's my gaming chair? Oh, yeah. So there is the golden play button. I'm going to end this video because it's way too laggy. But guys, if you did enjoy this video, get me to 1 million subscribers for buying that golden play button.